Hi, my name is Cameron Best, and I want to take a quick moment to show you through Trade Invest's pbox trading approach. Now, Trade Invest, it's all about keeping trading methods very simplistic, making them rules-based, and structuring them on strong trading economics. So what do I mean by all that? Well, to be profitable within these markets, often simple is best. Clean charts, very strong trading areas. It certainly doesn't have to be complicated. Now, the pbox trading approach, it's a step-by-step, rules-based and very systematic approach to do trading. The best and the most successful businesses follow and stick tight to systems and routines, and that's definitely what we're about with the pbox approach at Trade Invest. And as for strong trading economics, essential key to trading is letting the markets come to you. Rather than you always chasing the markets and sort of trading in any spot, we are first of all identify very powerful trading areas at the start of the day. Before we get going, we identify these areas. Now, it's very easy to do this. It's very systematic. There's very much a process to this, and then we wait. We wait for the markets to come to us, and then we apply our high probability trading setups. So what I'd say is, have you done this sort of thing in the past with your trading? It's an amazing and certainly effective way to trade. And if you want consistent results, I really do suggest checking out more about how we do it. So let me take you through and show you a little bit more about what I mean by this. So we have multiple setups, but for now, what I want to do is really just focus on two. So up on the screen there now, you've got what we call a continuation strategy. So you've got this power box, which we identify here. So we're looking at powerful lower and upper zones within the markets. These are the areas we identify before the start of the day. Then as the market approaches these areas, like I said before, we identify the powerful area, and then we apply our trading setup. And within this, it's very important to also be aware of market direction and market momentum. And we've got very specific indicators that we utilize to be able to understand this. And then as the market comes up to this edge, in this particular case, we're looking for a continuation strategy. We look for the market to break out and continue outside the box and trade this particular powerful area within the market. Flip side of that, we've got what's called the reversion trading. So in this particular case, again, we've got the power zones identified. We've got a lower edge and upper edge. And a really effective way is to trade the extremes of the market. So as it comes down to these areas, looking for a bounce rather than a continuation through. It's very much an opposing idea to what we just looked at as far as continuation. But it's a very effective way. And again, what we need to utilize is the step-by-step process. First of all, we identify these zones within the market. Then we use our indicators to give us a really clear idea on direction and momentum. And then from there, we apply the most effective and the highest probability setup. And in this particular case, we're looking at a reversion where it goes back in the zone. It's a very powerful way and effective way to trade the market where we can really get our risk very low and our reward a lot bigger than what we're risking in the market. So that's just a really quick look into the pbox trading method. I really suggest you guys come in and have a little bit more look how we do it, and we can certainly show you some really effective ways to be able to trade this market and get really confident in what you're doing as a trader.